system. From this filtration system, it gets filtered through the layers of charcoal, gravel, and sand. And after filtration, it passes through the pipe once again to be stored in the storage unit. Here we have used the example of a well, and from this well, the water can be used for many household purposes, like washing the utensils, or it can be used to water the plants from the kitchen garden. And the water from the harvested water can also be used to recharge the underground water level, and basically it helps in saving the water for water conservation. Now, as you may know, in Tura there has been scarcity of water, especially due to global warming, where there's less and less rain. So if we implement this system in rural and urban areas, we can basically use it to save the water, and in that way in that way the harvested water, it can be used for many things, many purposes, especially for irrigation. The harvested water through the drip water system, they can use it to give water to the crops such as maize and rice, etc. So the advantages of the system is that it prevents soil erosion, and it also and it also helps with saving water, and it is just a very cost effective way of saving water. And also the thing is that this rainwater harvesting system, it can be done even in the rural villages, and it can be constructed with the locally available materials. So in that way, it does not need a lot of money for the construction and stuff. It is a very simple system. It just contains the catchments. The pipe system through which the water will pass, and the filtration system, and then the storage unit. One problem is that it will take a lot of maintenance to make sure that the rodents and the insects, they don't get into the water. So the solution to that is just to maintain the water system by covering it with a lid, etc. And and basic and basically it's about 71% of the earth is covered with water, and only 3% of that is fresh water, and even less, only 1% of that is water that is easily available for drinking, etc. So the rainwater which falls down on the roads and pavements, instead of letting them run off to the streams and rivers and going to waste, we can use this rainwater harvesting system and implement this in every home to collect the water so that they can be distributed among all the people, especially because there is scarcity of water right now in Meghalaya and many other nations, even developing countries. One of the main problem is water pollution and overflooding. So using the system, it basically helps prevent all of that. So that's all. Thank you.